Hey guys, welcome back. In the last session, we have seen steps in mocking. In this session, we will be seeing a real-time scenario. I'll be taking a real-time scenario. Let's say we are testing a booking service. Let's say we are testing a booking service. The booking service is depends on payment service. Payment service. So now what you have to do is you have to mock this payment service and you have to inject the payment service into the booking service and okay, then what you have to do is you have to set the expectations for these payment service methods, and you have to verify that whether the payment service methods are called or not. Okay, so we'll be doing one by one. So let's see. So I'll write a pseudocode over here. So what I'll do is I'll be first in mocking in the first step in the mocking. What we have to do, we have to create a dependent class. We have to stub the dependent class. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll be using a mock method to stub the dependent class. Okay, I'll be using mock method to stub the different dependent class. I'll say payment service dot class, and this will return the uh, payment service. Okay, mocked. It will return the mocked object. Okay, and this mock method is available in Mockito. So I'll write Mockito dot mock method. Okay, and this is, let's say this is a payment service object as P. Okay, let me resize this one so that I can see everything in one line. Okay, so payment service class, let me add to the dictionary so that I can't see any error. So the second thing what you have to do is you have to once you mock this one, right, now you have to give this payment service to the booking service. Okay, so I have to write booking service. So I'll write here, I'll say you have to inject the mock. So I'll use the constructor of booking service and I'll inject this one. So booking service the service equals to new booking service, and I am taking the payment service object as a parameter. So this is kind of object parameterized constructor over here. If you know the constructors concept, so this is an object parameterized constructor which will be taking the object as a parameter. Okay, so now the booking service is having the mocked object P. Okay, so now what you have to do is you have to set the expectations. Now the second step is set the expectations. Set the expectations. Let's say in a booking service you have a method called process payment, and the process payment you are making a call to the process payment method. Okay, so now when p dot p dot process payment method is called, okay, then what you have to do, then return then return, okay, you should say success or failure. So it could be a success or failure, could be a success or failure. I'll be giving success. Okay, so now after mocking this one, after setting the after mocking this one, you have done this. You have set the expectations. Now what you have to do is you have to verify the call. So verify, verify, verify whether this p dot process payment process payment is called or not. Okay, so I'll directly say over here in verify, I'll give the object name. Okay, we have to give the object name, then we have to call the process payment from outside. Process payment. Okay. Okay, fine then. So these are the steps steps are involved for mocking the object, for mocking the payment service object and calling the respected methods. Okay, so now we have one more way to mock and inject the objects. We will be discussing that one as well. So let's see that. another um, way. I think I'll write using annotations. Using annotations. Before we have seen the using the ready-made methods which are given by the Mockito, and we will be now we will be seeing the using annotations. We will be marking it. I'll do one thing. I'll directly write the code in my IntelliJ or my Spring Tool suite. I'll open my Spring Tool suite and I'll write the code over there itself. Okay. Yeah, before go and write the code actually, so we need some dependencies to like work with Mockito. So let's name those dependencies. So you can download the dependencies from the Maven repository. So I'll show you Maven repository how you can download the dependencies from the Maven repository. Okay, so it's very simple. I'll show you. Okay, first let's name those dependencies. The first dependency which is needed if you want to work with Java Mockito. So you'll be adding the JUnit dependency. So I'll be using JUnit 5. So you also use JUnit 5. And like we need the JUnit and Mockito dependency as well. Okay. And we need Mockito-core dependency as well. Mockito-core dependency as well. These are the dependencies which are needed actually to run your Mockito applications. Okay, to write the unit test cases using the Mockito. So let's see that. Let's go to the Google and let's find the. Let's search for the Maven repository. Okay. So I have opened my Edge. Let me go to the Google and let me search for Maven repository. So you can see over here. So the first one, the first link you have to click it and it will take you to the Maven repository website. Now here we need the dependencies called JUnit. First we need to download the JUnit 5. Yeah, I have recently downloaded JUnit 5. So just you have to take the first one. Okay. So JUnit 5. So take the latest version of JUnit. Okay, so always take the latest version, and yeah, so I'll be taking the latest version of JUnit. So here you can see right here in once you click on that, it will be taking you to the it will be taking you to the dependency. So like here you will be seeing the you can download the JUnit jar for the multiple. So you can download for the Maven, you can download for the Gradle, you can download for the Gradle short, Kotlin, SBT, Evo, Grape, Builder. So but as of now we need it for Maven. So just go and click it and just copy it from there and go to your IDE, and in your IDE there is a folder there is a file called pom.xml. It will be available in your project. Just go there and inside that pom.xml, open that pom.xml file. Inside that there is a JUnit dependency. Just remove this dependency. We don't need it because see, this is an outdated one. We are going to use the JUnit 5 actually. So just paste the JUnit 5. Okay, so just paste the JUnit 5. So over here you can see there is a M over here, right? M option. Just go over there and click on this icon. Okay, just click on this icon. It will start downloading the dependencies for you. It will be start downloading the dependencies for you. You can see over here. Okay. Okay, fine. Cool. Okay, so now once you add this JUnit dependency, now what you have to do is you have to add two more dependencies, right? If you want to work with, so one is Mockito-core. Just again go to the Maven repository and find for, let's go back and search for Mockito-core. Yeah, here it is, Mockito-core. Just search for the Mockito-core. You'll get the first. Always go for the first link. Okay, so here I'll be going for the second version. I'll be going for, and here you can select any version if you want. Okay, but I was choosing the little low version, 15.4, 5.14.2 is the version I'm choosing it. Just go over here and go to your pom.xml in your project and paste that dependency. Okay, so here it is showing one error. So you can, and one more thing, it is asking to load the Maven. So once you click on the load, it will start downloading the Maven, the dependencies for you. So before you were getting the error actually 15.14.2. Okay, so now you're not getting there. Here the thing is that once you click on this Maven, this symbol, it will start downloading the dependencies. Because for me it is not showing because I have already downloaded this one. Okay, so for you it will show the downloads in your console. Okay, so the downloading in progress, something like that. Okay, the next dependency we need it. The next dependency we need it is next dependency we need it is Maven JUnit Jupyter. So Maven, Mockito, and JUnit we need it. Okay, so just go and search for this one, Mockito JUnit Jupyter. So here you will find the Mockito JUnit Jupyter dependency. Just click on that link. It will take you to the downloading page where you can just copy your dependency and paste it in your form XML. So now it's loaded. Now let me go here and get this dependency. Just Control C and go to your IntelliJ and paste it in your form.xml file. Okay, just paste it over here. Okay, save it. It will start downloading your dependency. Just click on this M symbol. It will download the dependencies for you. Cool. So the dependencies are downloaded. Okay. Now, um, now check once, like what are the dependencies it is downloaded. What are the dependencies we have added? We have added the JUnit Jupyter API dependency, and we have added the Mockito-core, and we have added the Mockito JUnit Jupyter dependency as well. Okay, so let's see the real-time implementation in the next video. Okay, thanks for watching my video.